Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic grooming tool that promises to elevate your personal care routine, the Multifunctional Hair Clipper and Grooming Kit. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is this product? The Multifunctional Hair Clipper is not just a standard hair clipper, it's an all-in-one grooming solution designed to cater to various styling needs. Whether you're looking to achieve a precise haircut, trim your beard, or groom your body hair, this kit has you covered. It comes equipped with an LED screen that displays battery life, giving you a clear indication of how much power you have left. Let's talk about the key features that make this grooming kit stand out. First, the clipper is cordless and rechargeable, featuring a modern Type-C fast charging capability. This means you can easily charge it using the same cable as many of your other devices. Once fully charged, the clipper offers an impressive 120-minute runtime, making it perfect for home use or when you're traveling. One of the highlights of this grooming kit is its professional precision. With 2 adjustable speeds, you can customize your grooming experience to suit your hair type and styling preferences. The kit includes several versatile attachments: 3 guide combs for various hair lengths, 1 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm, a beard comb, hair clips, and even a cape to keep hair off your clothes while you groom. These attachments make it an essential multi-use tool for anyone looking to maintain their style at home. Another feature that enhances convenience is the dedicated pre-shampoo scalp massager brush included in the package. This little tool helps cleanse and prepare your hair before you start cutting, ensuring that you're set up for the best results. You'll also find a cleaning brush, a small oil bottle for maintenance, a protective cap, and a charging cable, all packed into one comprehensive kit. This hair clipper is designed for everyone. Whether you're a man or a woman, a senior or a kid, this grooming kit is versatile enough to cater to all age groups and hair types. It's also great for pet grooming, making it a practical tool for light touch-ups on your furry friends. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you're a busy professional who wants to save time and money on haircuts, this clipper can help you achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It's also perfect for parents looking to give their kids haircuts without the stress of a trip to the barber. If you enjoy camping or traveling, the compact size and long battery life make it an ideal grooming companion on the go. And, of course, its ultra-quiet operation means you can groom yourself or your family without the noise that traditional clippers often produce. In summary, the Multifunctional Hair Clipper with LED screen is a comprehensive grooming solution that suits a wide range of users. Its combination of professional features, versatile attachments, and portability makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their grooming routine efficiently. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.